The surplus in the power supply in Luzon will result to a decline in power rates in the coming months, according to the Department of Energy. Our Harley Valbuena provides the details.
Power rates are seen to decrease in the coming months as the demand for power has dropped amid the cold weather this rainy season. According to Department of Energy or DOE, since the preventive maintenance shutdowns of most power plants are also done, power reserves in Luzon are currently high. This will eventually impact power prices on the wholesale electricity spot market.
So sa monitoring natin daily, umaabot ng 16,000 megawatts dito sa Luzon na capacity natin, while the demand has slowed down, nasa 10,000, 11,000 megawatts na tayo. So laki na reserve natin.
Moreover, the projects for additional energy sources such as renewable energy might also contribute to the possible decrease in rates. The Energy Department also assured preparedness for incoming typhoons and other weather disturbances which may cause damage to power facilities.
The Energy Resiliency Task Force is already activated. We already had initial meeting with the Office of the Civil Defense. Yes, we are ready. And so far, maganda naman yung monitoring.
On oil prices, while the Middle East tension is easing, the DOE Oil Industry Management Bureau still can't determine if there will be oil price rollback again next week, as they still have to wait for oil price monitoring of crude oil in the world market in the next days. Despite not confirming nor denying the presence of an oil cartel in the country, DOE OIC Secretary Sharon Garin admits that there are still irregularities in the industry.
There's still some form of anti-competitive behavior in some, not all. There are gas stations, for example, that are 10 pesos less ang presyo. And that could mean something. Maybe that's good for the country, but that could also be something that there is some smuggling or manipulation that happens.
To mitigate the effects of unstable fuel prices, DOE will continue to implement actions such as conducting regular inspections on oil depots and gas stations, and will encourage oil companies to adopt staggered price increase and offer promos and discounts to motorists. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.